Hello, my dear friends. Good afternoon, and I hope that all of you are safe and sound, hale and hearty. I thought of sharing one important observation with you today. We were in need of some developers and as well as trainers in high-end courses like Python, Django, data sciences, then full stack development, PHP, and for these requirements we raised our requirement on hiring portal like Naukri.com, Indeed, LinkedIn, Facebook, and everywhere. To my surprise, we got 82 CVs profiles from for these two posts, 82 profiles, and out of all 82 profiles, leave aside 2, 80 profiles are belonging to regions like Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, and few from Gurgaon. Only 2 profiles, or maybe 2 or 3 profiles, are belonging to Chandigarh Tri-City or the surrounding area, let's say part of Himachal or Uttarakhand and all. Now, this is quite surprising that for high-end courses we are or for IT industry we are finding it difficult to get good quality of developers, those who are having hands-on experience of working on projects, training the professionals and the students, whereas see what is happening in the South India. How come 80 profiles and CVs coming from southern India and only 2 coming from this place? Whereas if we find, then in Chandigarh and around, in Punjab, in Himachal, in Haryana put together, if I count number of professional engineering colleges and number of universities, you will be surprised that the number of engineering colleges will be as high as 150 plus. Number of engineering or number of professional university will be as high as 30 plus, and total count of students will not be less than 1 lakh or even more. Now, what is happening in our northern part and in Chandigarh Tri-City area? Why are we not getting good developers, good high-end technology professional from these places? This is surprising, and I was thinking that why not to share this observation with all of you. In my opinion, there are major 2 reasons. One, that in most of the cases students are opting for going abroad, and those who are having good skill set, good knowledge, are not planning to prefer in India and in northern India, and then they are preferring to go abroad. Earlier this phenomena was very peculiar to Punjab. Now this phenomena has become prominent even in Himachal, even in Haryana and part of J&K as well. This is number 1. Number 2, so far as administrative, generalistic and this kind of job profiles are required, people from this region are more interested in this, and so far as southern India people are concerned, we find in every scientific organization, in every research organization, in every high-tech technology organization, we are finding more and more students and professionals coming from those areas. So this is a kind of an imbalance which is there, and I want the industry, not the industry basically, I want the engineering colleges, the universities, the academia of this particular region to please focus on this and create a high-end quality product, so that this kind of a disparity is not there, and all people, those who are coming forward with a good level of knowledge and all, do not only plan to run away from here to the foreign countries and or to the southern India, but not working here. So this is a peculiar kind of a situation which I am sharing with you. It can be of some significance for some universities, colleges, students, parents, or if it is not of any significance for some people, then it can also be even ignored. So thank you very much. Jai Hind.